We want to show you how to neatly finish the zipper and waistband. You have already sewn the waistband with added interfacing to the outer skirt. Insert the invisible zipper at the center back, starting at the placement mark and sewing up to the top edge of the waistband. To finish your back seam, you could fold up the end of the zipper and close the seam. However, it looks really good to fold the seam allowance like this and now sew close to the edge. You'll come much closer to the zipper end and won't have any hole. Pin the lining waistband to the top edge of the skirt, wrong sides together, and sew in place. However, stop about 5 centimeters before the zipper. Now fold about 1 centimeter of your outer skirt and lay the inner waistband over it. Pin it to the zipper band and sew a vertical line along the zipper band, omitting the seam allowance at the bottom. Trim the inner waistband. You should now have an inner waistband that is shorter than the outer one with the hole open. You'll now fold the zipper band to the inside so everything lays flat and sew along the upper edge, closing the hole and also sewing over the zipper band. You can now turn everything inside out and it looks really neat. Pin the lining skirt to the top edge of the skirt seam allowance. Sew on. Turn the seam allowance along the lower edge of the inner waistband to the inside and hand stitch it in place. Hand stitch the ends to the zipper tape as well. We hope this helps you finish your POSY skirt and check out our other tutorials on YouTube.